Kasi yun lang yung nasa ano din. They gave us...
Kasi po meron lang po kami
too much heaven.
Yan. You know.
May kakanta no?
Ay, meron na.
Sila Miguel na.
Magdanakaw.
Ay, oo nga pala. Ay, I must stick with you, my baby.
Yun lang ang binigay eh. So yan, so girls.
Natin yan.
Tony Kittle, Backstreet Boys, Banana Rama, Venus, oh my God.
Hindi eh. Maganda rin.
What you need is a slow song, right?
Slow for the acapella nga pala.
Eternal Flame.
Madali lang yun.
No. Close your eyes.
Ay, may mataas rin ko bahala doon. Siya yung mataas.
Eternal Flames, Manic Monday, forget it.
Patayin niyo ako?
Kaya mo yun.
You need the slow one, no? Ang ganda kasi Fasten is Boogie Wonderland. Did you hear the Lindsay Logan version from Happy Feet?
No, Boogie Wonderland. Yeah.
That's a really pamatay version of Boogie Wonderland.
Hindi po.
Every now and then, that's pang lalaki yun eh.
So, meron sa Eternal Flame. Kanta mo ng isang grupo ng babae na bago. Diba? Eternal Flame.
Ayan, maganda.
Diba?
Yan daw, yan na lang nakantahin yun.
May kumanta na bagong ano. Chupa.
Kumaba ng If You're Not Here. Ang ganda ng inumin mo doon. If You're Not Here.
Yun nga yun sa Belfire, pangalan ng bayan ng babae.
Ang ganda rin yung If You're Not Here, but it's not here.
Ay, opo. Wala po dyan.
Okay, wala to.
Wala tayo maganda pinili si Direct lang. Pwede ba ibigin niyo sa atin?
Ang dami pa ng Beatles song dito, no?
Hindi tayong Beatles mamaya.
They need a slow song.
Pwede na eh.
Long and Winding Road is very nice.
Oo, maganda yan. If I Fell, yan maganda rin po.
Ano yan, anak?
If I Fell.
If I Fell, maybe give my heart. Pero kasi, it doesn't mataas ang Long and Winding Road. It's yung, may crescendo. Here, there, everywhere is so nice also for girls.
Ano kung ano niya?
Each day of the year.
Ay, oo.
Rises everywhere.
Because you don't use it up.
Ang ganda for girls. Ang ganda rin yun for girls. Diba?
Ganda yan.
But vocally, ang gandang i-acapella for boys is Eleanor Rigby.
Ano po yung pipilian here, there, and everywhere?
At saka,
Eternal Flame.
I don't know, better than...
Eleanor Rigby.
Here, there, and everywhere. Hi, Tide.
Thank you po, Direk.
Thank you po, Direk.
Okay, enjoy this nice encounter.
Thank you, Direk. Tingnan natin mamaya. Tingnan natin. Depende talaga yung here, there, and everywhere. Hindi alam mo yung winding road. Maganda yung here, there, and everywhere.
I was in this house before.
Kaya lang pag alam mo dahil kong beats na naman po.
They were on tour though.
Ay, nakain na naman.
Kadiri na yung kukukutamot.
Guys, kung babati ka. Maglinis tayo. Maglinis.
Is it from the roof?
Gusto ko nang kainin eh. Hindi, wapo.
Si Gary V started around 1983.
Tama, pumunta siya dito.
First concert niya.
I'm sure.
Before that, he was part of a high school group in LaSalle Green Hills called the Kundirana, which was a high school boys group na kumakanta, nagpe-perform.
Kundira.
He was part of batch 81 or 82. of Kundirana.